great. Welcome to Garden Wood. My name is Soni. It's warm, hot actually, hot afternoon, and these are my little tiny pots which I just bought today. I like this. These are terracotta pots, so I wanted to grow some microgreens. I'm a plant enthusiast, so it's nothing that I like a particular plant. I like to grow everything, each and every species, each and everything, from farming to house plants to flowering plants, cactus, carnivorous, everything. So back to the topic. So yeah, these are little tiny pots. So these are terracotta pots. They don't have holes and base. Actually, these are not pots. I think they had made for maybe glasses or cups. But these are beautiful, and I think these are perfect for growing microgreens. I can't grow any vegetables or food in a very little space, and because I don't get sunlight in my balcony. However, I always wanted to grow, vegetables, but I cannot. So I shifted to microgreens, and I think they are superfoods. They are healthy, and why not to add them in our daily routine? So let's start potting them. Okay, I got my drink. It's a nice afternoon time, and this is the time I relax. So cheers. Okay. So I bought 6 pieces of these tiny pots, and I have also potted in small teacups. Terracotta teacups, what we get whenever we buy any tea street from streets. So I had cleaned those teacups, and I am using them for microgreens. So these are I bought them to these are very lovely looking pots, and I'll be keeping these on my desktop, so that I can see them every day. I can see them how they are growing. They keeps on motivating me. So yeah. Spinach seeds which I had bought, and then there is amaranthus. It's a red amaranthus. Why I have got this red amaranthus? Actually, it's healthy. It's a secondary thing for me. It's red in color, so I like the contrast to sow some green and some red color. So it will be nice to look at. So that's why I bought some red amaranthus, and these are the green spinach. I have taken these sarso seeds, which is rice seeds or sarso, from my kitchen, which I'll be growing. Then I have taken these moong.
I think growing something is the best feeling you can have ever. Being human being, I think we have always done gardening. From, if you see our ancestors, they have always grown their food, and these are fundamental, so I think everyone should try to grow their own food, maybe very little, but it will give peace of mind. It will give a bit of satisfaction. That's very important in this very fast forward world. I think it's very important to be little slow down and do what you like. And gardening, even if it's not your hobby, it's our fundamental. Everyone should try and see the benefit. So I think yes, one should try it. And also, if you have all permanent plants, so growing these microgreens is like every time you grow and harvest, so it creates interest in gardening. So every time you have that interest, uh, like every time you are doing something, so microgreens, then you can also grow seasonal flowers. I love seasonal flowers as well. Before, when I was a kid, I used to think I am doing so much, I am putting my energy in these seasonal flowers and they just die. I used to think that, but I think that they are very important. They give you a good feeling of different season, and they are benefit for our nature because they feed butterflies, bees, and being the part of nature, we have some kind of responsibilities. So yes, please do gardening. It's really fun, very nice. It will give you satisfaction and peace of mind.
To have it a continuous supply, you have to grow these microgreens in batches. For example, this week I had grown these 6. Again, next weekend I'll be growing other seeds, or maybe these seeds only I'll repeat it, so that it is continuous. I can harvest them continuously. I hope you enjoy my video, and if you like it, kindly subscribe to my channel and do comment on my video. I would love to hear from you, and hope you enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much.